Hi, this is Jeff Bowler, the owner of Vision One Real Estate. You can reach me at 317-804-5333 or on the web at www.visiononerealestate.com. Today we are going to preview 12997 Brookmere Avenue. It's in Fishers, Indiana. It's a part of the Webb community of Britton Falls. This is what you look out at from the front door. That is the Webb clubhouse, and that is the Webb tennis courts. And so this is really nice view out the front, and then this is actually the front of the house. So it's a beautiful home. It's got a corner lot, which is really nice. It is 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, almost 2,300 square feet. And you'll see all the upgrades once I show you the inside. Really, really nice home that has been very well maintained. It was built in 2007 and has had a lot of upgrades put in it. As you come in the front door, first thing you'll be able to see is crown molding, really nice crown molding. And then you have a kitchen area, dining room area right off of the kitchen. Here's the kitchen, and then this is the living room. And you can see there is a sunroom right off of the living room. That was an additional feature that was added on, custom feature that I don't know if you can get anymore, but you also have the nooks. This is a bump out that was added. This is the office. All of the rooms have ceiling fans in them. Nice crown here, as you see in the office. And these bump outs were additional as well. So a lot of space. As we go past the office, we go down the hall to the other bedroom. There's a closet here, a closet here, so a lot of closet space. And then you have a bathroom with a tub, and you do have the handicap bars, nice transom window, and solid surface vanity with ceramic tile. So very nice. And you can see the hardware is all chrome, which is very nice. And of course, this is the other bedroom. So you have carpet in the hallway in the bedroom, and then you have real hardwood floor throughout. So let's go over to the other bedroom, the master bedroom. As you come in, you can see again carpet. This has a tray ceiling, which is really nice. And then you have the other nook, which is a bigger bump out. So that's very nice. And then you have a walk-in closet here, which is very large. And then you have the master bathroom. Again, you have the ceramic tile. You do have a separate shower, again with handicap bars to assist you. And then you have a separate bathroom area for the toilet, bathroom closet, if you will. And then you have another feature which I don't think you can get anymore in this community. You have a jacuzzi tub, a nice big long jacuzzi tub. And you have double vanities, which is really nice. And again, the solid surface countertop. So next thing we'll do is we'll go into the kitchen so that you can see it. But before we do that, I'm going to take you out into, again, to see the sunroom. Really nice. One of the things that you have is you have a retractable awning that is perfect in the morning, because this will get morning sun. It does not get afternoon sun, so you won't need it so much in the afternoon, but in the morning when it first comes up, if you wanted to get out there and not have to deal with the sun, you just put the awning down and voila, you have a lot more privacy. Great thing about this lot is it's a corner lot, but you also have more yard there than you would normally have, which is maintained by the HOA because of the way the house is situated. So that's really nice. So coming back into the kitchen, you can see that there is a breakfast bar for stools, which is very nice. You do have nice maple cabinets, solid surface countertops again, stainless steel sink, nice cooktop that's integrated into the countertop, microwave, all stainless steel. You do have a double oven, which is very nice because I don't think that feature is offered anymore with Dell Webb. So everything is nicely appointed for you, and you have a nice stone backsplash. And then, of course, you have the breakfast nook. So again, those nooks were extra. That was an added feature. And so that is something that is really nice. So as we go towards the garage, there is a butler's pantry right here on the right. Very nice. And then through to the garage, we have the laundry room area. It does have a tub that is situated in a cabinet, which is nice. And then you've got cabinets above the washer dryer, and then your utilities are through this door where you have the furnace and you have the hot water heater. So then you have a nice little area here for kind of the mud room, and then that is the garage, which you do have a window in the garage, which is really nice. You also have an alarm system. So this house really has a lot of features that you wouldn't normally see in the base model, obviously. And the house is priced at $339,900, which makes it very reasonable for this area. So if you'd like more information, you can always reach me at 317-804-5333, or send me an email at jeff@vision1realestate.com. So jeff@vision1realestate.com. I'd love to help you if you have any more questions, and I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you very much.